What's up, guys? Luckside here again on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Want to talk to you about something that I think is actually really, really cool, really exciting. It's the thing that got me into crypto in the first place, and that was crypto spending. So, Luckside, what's crypto spending? Well, that's being able to actually spend your crypto on consumable products. So, Latin American digital payments firm Ripio, I might be pronouncing that wrong, launches prepaid crypto card in Brazil. So Latin American digital payments company Ripio has started rolling out a prepaid debit card in Brazil that allows payments to be made in cryptocurrency and earns cashback rewards in Bitcoin. So I've been monitoring the crypto spending space for quite some time. So I've heard of several companies actually doing this exact thing, rolling out these payment cards, as well as integration of crypto payrail companies like Flexa and Alchemy Pay and all sorts of other stuff. So it's something that's always been very interesting to me, because obviously there's a big adoption issue with cryptocurrency throughout the world, and crypto was originally created to be peer-to-peer digital currency, right? And one of the issues for that was just the speed at which this could be done. Well, now there's all these options coming out to be able to do just that. So there's obviously actually a lot of competition in the marketplace now, but I think this is one of the things that is really going to drive cryptocurrency adoption throughout the entire world. So this company said they hope to release 250,000 cards, which were developed in partnership with Visa. Keep this in mind. By the end of the year, offering the product to 1 million users it has in the South American country. And they do plan on, or there is already a digital version of the card that's already available. So I wanted to talk about the Visa part, because there have been some of these big payment companies like Visa and MasterCard that are getting involved with these crypto things, because they are viewing it as a future thing that is coming. I know that they've launched some of their own developmental branches in their own companies, and they've been trying to do that themselves. But partnering obviously with some of these companies that know what they're doing is obviously a big deal. Now they do say that you are going to be able to spend 28 cryptocurrencies that they currently have listed on their platform, which is a lot. Obviously, there's more adoption coming there as well. You're probably going to see a lot of the larger cards or larger cryptos on there to be spendable. They do plan on launching, it looks like, in Argentina later this year, and they have further expansion plans in some of the other companies that companies that they operate in, like Uruguay, Colombia, Mexico, and Spain. So there's a very good chance that spending adoption is going to spread faster than you think. Even just from about a year and a half ago, when I first got into crypto, the solutions that are there for crypto spending has grown vastly. And I think we'll continue to see that change as time goes on. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Check out this article that I thought was pretty cool. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, feel free to smash that subscribe button, the little bell, then that way you'll know when I go live. Hey, drop a like if you'd like as well. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I do hope to see you in the next one.